Let's continue our topic limbs. Each arm is attached to a shoulder blade. The arm is made up of 3 bones. The humerus, which is above the elbow, and the radius and ulna, which are below the elbow. The hand is made up of 5 bones. Each finger on the hand has 3 bones except for the thumb, which has 2. We must have an explanation of this. See, each arm is attached to a shoulder blade. You can see here, this is human skeletal system. This arm, each arm, this is attached to a shoulder blade. See, this is a shoulder blade. So this arm is attached to a shoulder blade, and this arm is made up of 3 bones. This is one bone. This is known as humerus. It is above the elbow. This bone is above the elbow. And other 2 bones, these are below the elbow. These are radius and ulna. Okay, so arm has 3 bones: humerus, radius and ulna. Humerus is above the elbow and radius and ulna are below the elbow. And the next thing is, the hand is made up of 5 bones. See here, the hand, it is made up of 5 bones. And each finger on the hand has 3 bones. In hand, we have 5 bones. Okay, and every bone, every finger has 3 bones except that of the thumb. Only thumb has 2 bones, otherwise other 4 fingers have 3 bones. Together the bones of the arms help grasp and pick up the things. They also help throw, push, pull and write. Means these bones of the arms, they help together in grasping and picking up the things. They also help in throwing, pushing, pulling and writing. Then comes the lower limbs. These are the legs. They are attached to a circular group of bones called the pelvis. See here. These are the legs. These are the lower limbs. These are attached to a circular group of bones. This is a circular group of bones. And this is called pelvis. This pelvis is made up of 2 large hip bones. 2 large hip bones. The leg bones are strong to help support the body's weight. We all know that these legs helps us to stand, to walk, to support our body's weight. So these are strong enough to help support the body's weight. The bone that goes from the pelvis to the knee, it is called femur. See this bone, this bone that goes from the hip to the knee. Okay, this is called femur, and this is the longest bone in the body. You must know the longest bone in our body is femur. It is the longest bone in the body. At the knee, there is a triangular bone called the patella. Here, at the knee, there is a triangular bone that is called patella. It protects the knee joint. This triangular bone that is known as patella, that helps to protect the knee joint. Okay. Then below the knee are 2 other leg bones. Here below the knee there are 2 other leg bones. These are known as tibia and fibula. These 2 leg bones are known as tibia and fibula. So, like that of arms, legs are also made up of 3 bones, and these 3 bones are femur, tibia and fibula. Okay. The foot has 5 bones. Same. It is similar like that of hand. As hand has having 5 bones, similarly the foot is having 5 bones. Each toe has 3 tiny bones. Like each finger was having 3 bones. Similarly, each toe is having 3 tiny bones except the big toe. Okay, like that of thumb in the hand, which has 2. The leg bones help the body stand and walk. These leg bones help us to stand straight and to walk. They also help balance the body and keep it upright. Is it clear to all? I think this topic, these limbs, these are all clear to you.